guys, and welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about a new series that will be coming up very shortly, as well as my glasses. I'm 34 years old and I finally have glasses. So you'll learn about that in 1 minute. But first I want to talk to you guys about this pattern. This is the Simplicity 6588 and I'm making a skirt for my daughter. So here is the skirt that I'm very, very proud of. It's made out of this adorable ice cream cone fabric. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby, either that or Joann's. So if you're looking for something like this, then that is where you'll find it. So cute. So basically I'm going to be having 2 videos coming up, and those will have me making the pattern from start to finish. They're going to be really long and in-depth videos, so I'm just going to be walking you through my process of how I made this skirt. So I'm going to be, showing you how to read the pattern and the markings on the paper, and cutting out your fabric choices. So if you're interested in learning more about how to actually make patterns, then you can, follow along. If you want to track down this pattern, I got this at a thrift store, so, you could potentially find it and make this with me. This is a size 8 for a girl, so I made it for my daughter. And yeah, so if you're interested, then look out for those videos. I'm going on vacation. We're going down to Florida, and we're going to be driving down there, and it's going to take about 18 hours. But it's going to be really fun. We're going to stay at a resort in the Kissimmee area and, just have some quality family time, swim, maybe go to a few parks. We'll see. We're just kind of go down there and see what happens, but pretty excited. The kids are really excited, just to be able to not go to school for a whole week, which is pretty fun. So yeah, lots of people in my area do that 18-hour trek down to Florida because it is worth it to escape. And here it's already, it's cloudy, it's raining every day, and it's just, winter is coming and we're not really looking forward to it. So we're gonna go back to Florida and try to get some of that sun that we miss so much here in Canada. So I just want to address the glasses quickly. A company called Firmoo contacted me. They've contacted me in the past and sent me sunglasses. They do sunglasses, prescription glasses, non-prescription, and then these ones, which I do not need a prescription. So that's why I was like, what am I gonna do? I don't need them. And they're like, but we have these blue light blocking glasses. And I'm like, what the heck is blue light blocking glasses? So if you are a sewer, but you also like to play on the computer or on your tablet or on your smartphone, these glasses will be for you. Especially because I spend an obscene amount of time on my computer, especially with the YouTube channel alone, just editing and then doing the blog posts. Like, one tutorial can take 6 to 8 hours depending, on how in-depth I get. So all that time is spent on the computer. It strains my eyes, it gives me a headache. A lot of times I will end my day with headache. And so I've had these for a few days now, and I've been, doing my normal thing on the computer, on the phone and everything, and I have not had a headache once. So, one of those things, it could be a fluke, but it could be actually true too. So if you actually look at yourself, like let's say I open up the camera on my phone and I look at myself, and you bring up your phone close to the lenses, you can see your phone looks blue, which I find is interesting. So there must be blue light coming off of this thing. So that can actually, it strains your eyes and it makes you stay, it can keep you from going to sleep at night, or it can it just hurts your eyes, basically. It just hurts them. And I don't want prescription anytime soon, so you know, I need to protect them. So I got the glasses. I'll put a link down below as to the ones that I purchased. And then it came with this beautiful case, like a nice one that you would get from, like, you know, a fancy place. It came in this little baggie, a fabric bag to put it all in. Came with a little repair kit with extra nose pieces. I don't need nose pieces, but it came with them. And then this is like a little screwdriver, so that's really cute, and extra screws. And then it came with a little cleaning cloth. How adorable is this? I've never seen a cleaning cloth that was printed like that. So that's really cool. So thanks so much to Firmoo for sending me these glasses. They're super cheap. They're as low as 19 bucks. So, you know, if you don't like them, whatever, not that much money. Especially because, like, you know, my husband, he goes and gets glasses around here, and he spends like about $400 for his glasses. So, you know, if he doesn't like them, he's stuck with them for 2 years until his benefits will cover them again in 2 years. So yeah, they're gonna have, so they will have buy one, get one free. So you can get a couple choices and see which ones you like. Like I said, they have the sunglasses, the blue light blocking, and then the prescription or non-prescription. So you could, you know, mix and match and choose which ones. All those links are going to be down below. So look forward to my skirt video if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more in depth of garment making. If you do like those videos, then definitely you know, comment below and tell me you would like to see more, and I can definitely make more. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys again, and hopefully I will be tanner than I am now. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.